Live at the pajama party at convention. I just want to show you a few things going on here. Like I said, this is a PJ party. There are about probably 4 other rooms like this, about this same size. I want to show you some of the cool new stuff. Here's one. You got a new cow. It's really cool. And I'm going to show you this hot coffee one over here.
Have you been Bernadette?
My girls are all having fun. Right, Kathy?
We're having fun. Chillaxing.
That's right. And it's fun just to get together with people from all over the country and chalk. Here's some more people from my team. They're all having a blast. Anyway, we're having a good time. The new catalog is amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see what's in the new catalog. It is fantastic. Just fantastic. Anyway, you guys have a good night, and I'll try to be better about posting. It's just been a whirlwind of fun here, so talk to you soon. Maybe I can turn it off. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.